Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on NFC on iPhone in 2025. So first we will just find on the iOS device the shortcut application. I will be just tap on it as well, and you will see in the bottom center is the automations. So I want to just tap on it easily, and you will be just finding the top right corner of plus icon to create an automation for your personalized. And after here you will be just select the category like NFC. So when I tap on NFC tag, just tap on it and simply just tap to scan. So now you will just hold your device near the NFC tag or the any other device simply as well. So in this way you will just have to turn on NFC on iPhone. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.